show you how you can use top messaging apps in the world to boost your engagement, automate customer support, and skyrocket your sales. And the best part, you don't need coding, you don't need a team, you just need a tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Today, I'll show you how you can build a powerful chatbots that can literally run your business on autopilot. Before we jump, here's what we are building: a chatbot that greets customers on behalf of your business, helps them explore your services and answer FAQs, and even drives conversation 24/7. This exact system works for digital marketing agencies, tournament businesses, hotels, clinics, e-commerce, education business, and literally any business. Now first we start with the basics. At first, open a new tab and search Pabbly, pabbly.com/chatflow. See, this is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. And right now Pabbly is running a sale, so go and purchase this amazing tool. With the help of this tool, you can design this type of automated WhatsApp chatbots for your own business. And not only the chatbot, you can broadcast messages, create AI assistant, and many more automation. So purchase it by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign-in process, you will go on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. At first, you have to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow account. At first, you have to add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate video of how you can add your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow. I am directly going in this flows feature. See, this is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. I have already designed some chatbots and it is visible here. Now I am going to show you some of them. Let's start with the first one. This is the chatbot I have designed for tournaments alerts. This flow will work in real time like this, as this highly converting template message is going to be sent to your user, and once they select any button, then the chatbot will takes over the conversation. I have created a detailed video of how you can design this flow. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the link of the video in the description below. This chatbot flows works in real time, give the real boost to your business that they really need. Trust me, the designing process of this flow is the simplest thing that I have ever done. I am designing the chatbot from last 2 to 3 years, and this is one of the best tools that I have ever used. So this chatbot will work in real time like this. Now I am going to show you another chatbots too. See, this is the another chatbot. I have designed this chatbot for digital marketing agencies. Now I'll give you a quick real-time overview of this chatbot by sending this template message to my WhatsApp business account. So for sending it, I am going in this inbox feature. After that, I am selecting the contact. Next, I will click on this option. After that, I want to send this digital marketing business template to the user. So for that, I am clicking on the send button, and see the template is sent successfully. And immediately, I have received the template to that one design that actually gets attention. Your brand deserves more average visuals. Limited slots available this week. Let's say I want to book a slot. So I am clicking on this book my slot button. Then it replies to me like this, that awesome. Let's get right for you. What type of design are you interested in? See, this is the same message, that awesome. Let's get started for you. What type of design are you interested in? Once I open the list and select the interested designer's logo design, then it asks me to share the date that when I would like to connect. See, this is the next question that I have entered here. Now for setting up this type of list message, you have to take this list button from here and customize it exactly same that I have entered. For adding the section title, you have to click on this add section and add the items by clicking on this plus add items button and enter details. So this is how easily you can do the setup of list button. Next, the contact custom field notes. Contact custom field notes are the important part while doing the setup of WhatsApp chatbot, as it makes it a dynamic completely based on the user input. In few minutes you will understand this more clearly. At first I am sending a date as 21/4/2026. Then it will ask me for my full name, as this is the same question I write in the next box, that is please provide your full name. For adding a questions in your flow, you have to click on the sections option and click on this ask question. After that, enter the question in this enter message box and select the contact list from here based on the question. Now I am sending a full name as a test user. Then you will see it will automatically mention my name in the next message, that nice to meet you test user, what's the best number to reach you. Now how it will mention my name here? So it is only made possible with the help of contact custom fields. As I told you earlier, contact custom fields makes it a dynamic completely based on the user input. See, this is the same question we have answered recently, that is the name as test user, and will automatically mention the test user in this full name field. It is only made possible with the help of this dollar symbol and this contact custom field, not full name. So this is how contact custom field works. Next, I am sending one test number 2, and then you will see I have received one customized message from the bot that includes my name as a test user that I have shared while communicating with the bot, design type that I have picked from the list as logo design, and the preferred booking date. Completely personalized based on input that I have entered. So this is the magic of contact custom fields and this dollar symbol. So this is how easily you can design a chatbot inside Pabbly Chatflow. So now let me ask you one thing. Is that coming in your mind that how you can design this type of template? So we have a solution for that too. So for designing this template, you have to go in this template features, as each and everything are present inside this tool. See, this is the page where you can create multiple types of templates for your different type of businesses. It is the predefined messages that were approved by Meta. It is used for easy access and scale communication. In simple terms, templates are used for those type of messages that were started by your side. For designing a new template, you have to click on this plus add template button. After that, you can create a template by using AI as well as create a template by your choice. Here I am creating it by myself, so I am clicking on this option, that is add template. After that, you have to select the template category from here, give the name to your template, select the language, next the variable type. The explanation of variable is just like a contact custom field. It is also used for sending a personalized message to the user. After that, you have to select the template type. Next, enter the template header, content and footer. You can also add interactive actions if you want to. See, we have already created a separate detailed video of how you can do the setup. Check the description below for the video link. After completely designing the template, your template will get approved by Meta and it is going to be appear here like this. So this is how easily you can design a template, and if you want to send the templates to 100,000 or many more users at the same time. So for that too, Pabbly Chatflow has one powerful feature, that is broadcast. This is one of the best feature of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this broadcast feature, you can send the message to 1,000+ people by just one click. It is perfect for announcement, promotions or bulk updates. If you want me to create a detailed video of how you can broadcast this template message to thousands and many more of your users at the same time, then comment it below. I will create a separate tutorial for that too. So what are you waiting for? Go and explore this amazing tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. Trust me, this is the best tool for creating a WhatsApp chatbot. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.